Very good morning, my dear second BCom students. I think this is the last class of valuation of goodwill. So last concept also 2019 question paper, my dears. After that, the chapter comes end, my dears. And important and repeated question, my dears. Repeated. Already ಆ ತರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಾನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 2019 section B, my dears. The net profit of the business after providing taxation for past 5 years are 80,000, 92,000, 85,000, 1,05,000 and rupees 1,18,000. The capital employed in the business is 8 lakhs. Capital employed is nothing but average capital employed ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 8 lakhs ನ average capital employed ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The normal rate of return expected in this type of business is 10%. NRR, normal rate of return 10%, my dears. It's expected that company will be able to maintain its super profits for the next 5 years. Calculate 5 years purchase of super profit method. Calculate goodwill under 5 years purchase of super profit method. Capitalization of super profit method, my dears. Capitalization of super profit method. My dears, this is 2019 section B. Already ಈ ತರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, my dears. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ಸ್? ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್. So what is the formula for adjusted average profits? Total adjusted profits, actually total adjusted profits divided by number of years. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 80,000 plus 92,000
4,80,000.
1,05,000 1,18,000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ?
4,80,000.
4,80,000. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 80, 92, 85, 105, 118. 4,80,000. 4,80,000 divided by 5, my dears.
96,000.
96,000. That is adjusted average profits, my dears. 96,000 adjusted average profits. After that, calculation of normal profits. Normal profit gain formula. Normal profits equals average capital employed into normal rate of return. My dears, average capital employed problem discuss ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ 8 lakhs, normal rate of return 10%, my dears. 8 lakhs into 10% ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ normal profits ಅಂತ 80,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So then we are going to calculate super profits, my dears. Super profits formula, adjusted average profits minus normal profits. My dears, 96,000 rupees ಇದೆ. 96,000 adjusted average profits ಇದೆ. minus 80,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 16,000 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ, my dears. 16,000 rupees super profits ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಏನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? 16,000 ಇಂಟು 5 years, my dears. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 80,000. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 80,000 ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್. 80,000 ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ under super profit method, my dears. Under super profit method, the valuation of goodwill is 80,000. Then capitalization, calculation of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method, my dears. Goodwill equals super profits divided by normal rate of return into 100, my dears. ನಮಗೆ super profits ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? super profits ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಬಂದಿರೋದು? 16,000, my dears. 16,000 divided by 10 into 100, my dears. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ?
1,60,000.
1,60,000. Wait a minute. 1,60,000 rupees value of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method. That's it. 6 marks of 2019 paper, my dears. 2019. 20 ನೀವೇ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 20 ನೀವು ಬರೀತೀರಾ. 19 paper. This is the last paper for section B, my dears. Again we are enter into section C 2019, my dears. Section C. Listen here, my dears. 2019 section C means of 14 marks. The following particulars available in respect of the business carried by a Venkat Limited. Profits earned, my dears, profit earned 2015 2 lakhs, 2016 1 lakh 92, 2017 2 lakh 8,000, my dears. Profit of 2016 is reduced by 20,000 due to stock destroyed by fire. Fire accident then ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ had ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, my dears. Had ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Profits of 2015 included a non-recurring income, my dears. Non-recurring income rupees 12,000. Non-recurring income ಮಾಡ್ಸಿದೀನಿ, my dears. Less ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, minus ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. Profit of 2017, wait a minute, profit of 2017 includes income from investment, less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, my dears. Income from investment less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Again, stock is not insured and it's thought prudent to insurance stock in future. The insurance premium is estimated to 2,000 per annum. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ 2,000 rupees insurance premium due ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ 2,000 rupees ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, my dears. That is fire accident. Loss due to fire accident. Fire accident, my dears. Normal rate of return 10%. Average capital employed 16 lakhs. Our problem 8 lakhs into e problem 16 lakhs. Easy irutte, my dears. Present value of annuity of 1 rupee for 5 years at 10%. So 3.78 annuity value, my dears. Yen kelidare, you are required to calculate the value of goodwill, 5 years purchase of super profit as per capitalization of super profit as per annuity method. 3 ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 14 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, my dears. My dears, as usual ಈ ತರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಯು, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್, my dears. My dears, first one, calculation of adjusted profits. Calculation of adjusted profits. Profits as per profit and loss account 2 lakhs, 1,92,000, 2,08,000, my dears. Problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, my dears. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, my dears. ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್, my dears. First one, stock destroyed by fire accident in the year 2016 20,000. ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? In the year 2016 stock destroyed 20,000, my dears. Had ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, my dears. Had ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ 20,000. Then in the year 2017, in the year 2000 stock, one ನಿಮಿಷ, my dears. 20,000 insured. In the year stock destroyed by fire, profits of 2015 included non-recurring income 12,000, my dears. 2015 ಅಲ್ಲಿ non-recurring income 12,000 ಇದೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, my dears. Income from investment 2017 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8,000 ಇದೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Insurance premium for all years 2,000 rupees per annum, my dears. 2,000 rupees per annum. ಹೇಳಿ 2 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12,000 plus 2,000 14,000 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ
1,86,000.
1,86,000, my dears, adjusted profits. 1,92,000 ಗೆ 20,000 add ಮಾಡಿ, again 2,000 less ಮಾಡಿ.
2,10,000.
2,10,000.
10,000.
2,08,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8,000 plus 2,000 less ಮಾಡಿ. 8,000 10,000 ಮಾಡಿ. 1,98,000. Adjusted profits, my dears. Adjusted profits, average ಅಲ್ಲ, only adjusted profits. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ adjusted average profits ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, my dears. 3 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1,86,000, 2,10,000, 1,98,000. 3 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
5,94,000.
5,94,000 divided by 3 ಮಾಡಿ, my dears. Divided by 3.
1,98,000.
1,98,000 we are treated as adjusted average profits, my dears. Adjusted average profits 1,98,000 adjusted average profits. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, my dears. Calculation of normal profits. What's the formula we can use it for calculation of normal profits? Normal profits equals average capital employed into normal rate of return. My dear, problem discuss ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, average capital employed ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 16 lakhs ಇದೆ, normal rate of return 10% ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? 1,60,000 is
1,60,000. Yes, sir.
1,60,000. 1,60,000, that is Normal profits, my dears. That is normal profits. After that normal profits, we are enter into calculation of super profits, my dears. Calculation of super profits. What's the formula? Super profits equals adjusted average profits minus normal profits. Adjusted average profits ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1,98,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Normal profits ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1,60,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ. 1,98,000 minus 1,60,000 ಮಾಡಿ.
38,000.
38,000 we are treated as super profits, my dears. 38,000 we are treated as super profits. Super profits. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? Calculation of goodwill ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು, my dears. First one, calculation of goodwill under super profit method. Formula is super profits into purchase period. Calculation of super profits into purchase period ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Super profits 38,000, purchase period 5 years, my dears. 5 years. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ?
1,90,000. 1,90,000.
1,90,000 goodwill.
Yes, sir.
Goodwill 1,90,000 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
90.
90.
Okay, that is goodwill under super profit method, my dears. Under super profit method. After that, calculation of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method, my dears. The formula is goodwill equals super profits divided by normal rate of return into 100. ನಮಗೆ super profits ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 38,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Is it right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
38,000 divided by 10 into 100 ಮಾಡಿ.
3,80,000.
3,80,000.
3,80,000 goodwill under capitalization method. 3,80,000 goodwill under capitalization method. After that, we are going to calculate goodwill under annuity method. Goodwill under annuity method. What's the formula? Super profits into annuity value. Super profits 38,000 into annuity value 3.78. Total ಮಾಡಿ multiply ಮಾಡಿ
1,43,640.
1,43,640. Is it right? 1,43,640. That is goodwill under annuity method. That's it. Your valuation of goodwill, my dear. That's it. Your valuation of goodwill chapter. My dear students, notes complete ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಹನಾ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.